Hello there, what's up? My name's Hiba, nice to meet you, and welcome to my humble bumble brand new YouTube channel. I finally did it, and it only took me like 12 years. Anyway, we don't waste time here, so let's get straight into it. Hair. It falls a lot. Unfortunately, I can tell you firsthand that I've lost enough hair to start up a fully functioning wig business where I'm the supply and the demand. Fortunately for you, I've been dealing with hair fall long enough to try out and experiment with multiple remedies throughout the years to come up with a list of all the hits and misses of at-home hair care. Now, if you're here watching this, you know how painful it can be when you hop into the shower and see clumps of your hair just sliding down the drain, or when you pick up a hairbrush because you finally want to look human, but you hesitate because you know your hairbrush is about to turn into a hair ball. Yeah. And it breaks your heart, doesn't it? It broke mine. So why? Why does your hair fall? Now, there are multiple reasons behind why we experience excessive hair fall. Some common causes include poor nutrition, bad hair hygiene, environmental factors such as pollution, natural factors such as hormonal fluctuations or hereditary baldness, and of course, stress. Why I'm telling you all this is to emphasize that in order to reduce hair fall and even grow your hair back, you cannot just rely on DIY recipes. Believe me, it's painful. I've denied it for years, but it is what it is. You know what I mean?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
You should be treating these DIY recipes as a supplement for your overall hair care while primarily focusing on your general health, making sure that you are eating well, that you're getting checked up regularly, you're not deficient in any vitamins, and that you're giving your body the love and care that it deserves. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk a little bit about today's star ingredient for today's hair fall recipe: onions. What? I know! Hiba, why would you put that in your hair? It smells so bad. Does it even work? I'm glad you asked. Although there's still a lot of research that needs to be done on this topic, science shows that onion does in fact help with hair fall because it's rich in dietary sulfur. Let me break it down. In order to grow strong hair, we need protein, specifically keratin, which is rich in... That's right, sulfur. Therefore, when added to the hair and scalp, it provides extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair fall and promoting hair growth. One small study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that hair growth in participants with alopecia areata started after 2 weeks of using onion juice when applied to the scalp twice daily. Alopecia areata is basically a non-scarring, patchy form of hair loss. 74% of participants had regrowth after 4 weeks, and that turned into 87% in about 6 weeks. Both males and females participated in the study, but fun fact, hair regrowth was higher amongst males. What you waiting for, bruh? Scientist Hiba, out. I don't want to drop that. It's gonna make a lot of noise. I'm gonna keep the glasses because I think they're cute. Now, if you are allergic to onions, do not do this on yourself, please. That being said, let's get straight into the recipe. This recipe is super easy to follow. All you need to do is grab one medium-sized onion, chop off both ends, and continue by peeling off the outer layer. Then, grab a knife and carefully cut it into smaller pieces. You could also just grate the onion and it works just as well, but I prefer cutting it into smaller pieces and dropping it into a blender. I blend the onions until it almost turns into a paste-like consistency like so. Next, grabbing a bowl and a sieve, take some of that blended or grated onion and drop it into the sieve. Using a small spoon, apply pressure on it so all the juice is squeezed out. Continue this process until you've drained out as much juice as possible. Onions do have a strong smell, so adding a little lemon juice or rose water into this mixture definitely helps. and your onion juice is officially ready for use. For application, I roughly part my hair down the middle, and using my hands, I take some of that juice and massage it into the scalp, making sure to be extra gentle while doing so, especially if your hair tends to fall easily. I continue the process by sectioning my hair to make sure I don't miss any spots, and I do this until I've covered my entire scalp with the mixture. Now while we're at it, here's some more cool facts about onions. Onions have antibacterial properties so they can fight off scalp infections, which by the way can contribute to hair loss as well. Onions also contain antioxidants and are believed to protect the body from anti-radicals that actually contribute to the aging process. So for hair, that means gradual thinning of hair and hair loss.
Ooh, that smells funky.
This part is completely optional, but I like to give the length of my hair some love-in as well by oiling it. You can use any oil of your choice. Here I'm using organic onion oil by Luxura Sciences, which I bought off of Amazon. Link will be in the description. It's okay if your hair falls in the process. Healing, like all good things, take time. Then I grab a hair tie, tie my hair, and throw on a shower cap so nothing leaks out and the onion juice smell is contained. I leave this on for about 40 minutes to an hour. How you choose to spend this time is completely up to you. Trust me, no judgment. When time's up, wash your hair as you normally would, and I like to add my own homemade hair gel that's been doing magic for me when I style my hair. It brings out and holds my natural curls and controls my insane frizz. Did I mention it doubles up as a moisturizer for your face? It's hella convenient and it doesn't get better than this. And don't worry, I will be showing you how you can easily make some for yourself in another hair care video, so stay tuned for that. As for our onion hair, we're done. Pretty simple, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a dream come true for me to finally make this after 12 years of hesitation, contemplation, and self-doubt. So 2020, we finally here. I hope you learned something new from this, and I hope this recipe helps you the way that it helped me. If you liked the video, just click a and give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to get the ball rolling for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and be safe. Scientist Hiba